Research shows the average landing page converts at about 2 to 3%, so it's absolutely paramount that you get it right. With just a couple visitors out of every 100 taking action, you need all the help you can get to improve the conversion rate. Your landing page is probably the most important aspect of your funnel. And if you're sending leads to a poorly designed and not optimized landing page, you can say goodbye to your conversions. In this video, I'll share with you the 7 absolutely crucial elements you need on your landing page to boost conversions way above the average, along with some of the real-world examples coming up. Hey there, I'm Michael from Rapyd, the high-performance hosting your platform deserves. First, let's tackle a few questions. What is a landing page and why do you need one? A landing page is a page your visitors or leads land on after clicking your marketing content that has a clear call to action, resulting in some sort of engagement or conversion. This can be for an online survey to get feedback from customers, a lead magnet to build your email list, an opportunity to book an appointment, or my favorite kind of conversion, a purchase of one of my products or services. So why should you build one? Well, a landing page, unlike a homepage to your website, is more than a pretty welcome mat. It serves a specific function, to drive your visitors to take a specific action. And that targeted aim is precisely why a landing page can be a potent tool in your digital marketing arsenal. So here's what you need to pay attention to when creating your landing page. Let's start with the elements that are above the fold or within the hero section of your landing page. First, we have the headline. It's the first thing that visitors see on a landing page, generally a compelling question or bold statement that demonstrates the value you intend to provide or stirs an emotional response of curiosity. If we're to think about it in fishing terms, your entire landing page is your fishing rod and your headline is the bait. Remember, you only have a few seconds to capture their attention, so your headline should immediately resonate with your target audience and their needs. It should be intriguing enough to pique interest, clear enough to be understood instantly, and relevant enough to your offering for effortless understanding. First impressions matter when it comes to a landing page, so you want to ensure that your landing page gives the best impression possible to your viewers. The subheadline. Next, we have the subheadline. The subheadline is a secondary headline that provides supplementary information to the headline whilst keeping the message coherent and engaging. The subheadline allows you to provide further context and clarify your value proposition in a concise yet impactful manner. It gives your reader additional reasons to feel confident in your offer, and it incentivizes them to read on. Research shows including a well-written subheadline significantly increases readers' understanding of what your page is about and can boost engagement metrics like time on page. Overall, it strengthens the effectiveness of your headline by backing it up with supplementary yet supporting points. Leaving out this second layer of information could potentially lead to confusion or doubt, undermining the effectiveness of your landing page as a whole. CTA. The CTA, or otherwise known as the call to action, is the button or hyperlink text prompting the visitor to take the desired action, be it signing up, purchasing, or downloading. When it comes to CTAs, you really want to make it as effortless as possible for your visitors to actually complete the desired action. Subtlety is not going to cut it here. I like to think of the CTA as a handshake. You want it up front and center so people can find it easy. There's nothing worse than finally deciding you want to click only to have to be searching through the blocks of text to find where you want to click to take the action. Trust me, people will abandon ship before they get that far. Keep it prominent with contrasting colors and explicit messaging like "Get started." You want to make that CTA feel like an obvious next step. Having it welcomely close to the top for a smooth user experience, little tweaks like this can go a long way in nudging more visitors to progress down your funnel. Visual media. This goes without saying, people like attractive and aesthetic things. Conversely, if you want to allure people when they arrive on your site, then you need to include visual media that will stand out. This entails high-quality images, videos, and icons with appropriate color schemes that truly represent your brand. High-quality images or videos that align with your offering can greatly increase engagement and influence the visitor's decision. Think about the last time you saw an unpolished, low-resolution image on a site. It probably didn't exactly inspire confidence, did it? Outdated visuals can really undermine an otherwise good offer. Now, whether you take your own high-quality photos or browse stock sites or leverage AI tools, it's never been easier to upgrade your visual media. Done right, visuals can attract attention, build trust, and highlight your unique value. So invest in assets that represent your brand well and truly enhances the customer experience. Value proposition and offer. At the core of every landing page is the value proposition, which clearly states what is in it for your visitors if they say yes to your offer. This gives people a tangible sense of why your product or solution is worth their time. And as I mentioned, the format may differ depending on your offer. For a lead magnet, showcase the key takeaways or benefits if it's a free guide or checklist. If you're selling a course, lay out the full curriculum and the extras. And when launching a new product, be sure to state how your product compares to your competitors in a unique way. Essentially, you want the person viewing the page to clearly understand what they will gain by taking you up on their offer. This will help to remove any questions around whether your offer sufficiently meets their needs. So focus on tangible benefits like time or money saved, relationships built, or personal growth. Really sell the impact these offers will have should they choose to engage, or conversely, you can also share what they will lose by not taking you up on your offer. This dual-pronged features and benefits approach gives prospects maximum clarity on exactly how your solutions meet their needs and desired outcomes. It's a powerful way to reinforce your value proposition and clear any final hurdles. Alright, we're halfway through these crucial landing page elements, and I hope that you're finding this information helpful so far. If you are, please take a second to give this video a thumbs up, and it really helps to support the channel. And consider subscribing too so you don't miss any future tutorials on how to boost your business online. And so now we'll be on with the rest of the elements. Fast loading page speed. Speed is critical for landing pages. Research shows that 53% of users expect a page to load in less than 2 seconds. Anything more than that risks losing visitors to impatience. Speed also impacts how search engines rank your site. In today's digital age where attention spans are short and competition is just a click away, fast loading page speed isn't a luxury, it's a critical necessity. A snappy response to a click is the digital equivalent of a welcoming storefront. It invites the visitors in, eases their journey, and encourages them to stay. With each second of loading time, the likelihood of users abandoning your page increases dramatically. In an online world where immediacy is valued above all, a delay in loading time not only tests patience but also erodes trust in your brand. Moreover, the performance of your web hosting plays a crucial role in this scenario. The server speed and hosting infrastructure are often the spine of your landing page's performance. With high quality hosting, your landing page has the foundation to withstand high traffic without compromising on speed. In contrast, substandard hosting can become the choke point for data, leading to increased load times, especially during traffic spikes. This is more than an inconvenience, it's a direct threat to your conversion rate. Visitors are not likely to wait around for a slow page to load. They're much more likely to leave and possibly never return. When your landing page is entrusted to a hosting provider like Rapyd with a robust server infrastructure, you mitigate these risks, and we understand that as traffic volume scales, so does the demand on the server. That's why Rapyd hosting is architectured to excel under pressure, ensuring that your landing pages are not just fast under typical conditions, but resilient and responsive even as visitors' numbers soar. This means that no matter how many users are accessing your site at once, the page performance remains stable and swift, safeguarding your user experience and your conversion potential. So be sure to choose Rapyd at rapyd.cloud to anchor your landing pages on a platform where speed and reliability form the core of every user's interaction. And so you can build high converting pages with confidence that speed wouldn't undermine your efforts. Trust indicators. As crucial as the content and visuals are on your landing page, don't sleep on including key trust indicators. Things like accreditation, social proof, FAQs, or guarantees help put visitors' mind at ease. These elements work in conjunction not to just catch the eye, but to also build a bridge of credibility between you and your potential customers. Each of these factors play a pivotal role in converting visitors into leads and customers. You'd be amazed how toggling that little padlock icon by your domain can reassure someone it's safe to enter their email address. And prominently displaying a money-back guarantee takes a lot of performance pressure off their purchase decision. Even trust signals like a note explaining how their private details will be kept confidential fosters security and a peace of mind. These legal touches build legitimacy and remove fear around new brands or higher commitment requests. Social proof in particular is a powerful asset on your landing page because nothing instills trust like evidence that others have already found value in what you offer. This is where you want to feature authentic testimonials, case studies, or client logos. Testimonials from satisfied past customers can significantly boost trust by sharing what positive impacts your offering has had. Case studies provide a deeper level of proof by providing specific examples of how you've helped others achieve their goals. And so, no matter what you're offering, there will always be questions lingering for people's mind. With an FAQ section, you have the power to address those questions proactively and put doubts to rest. By addressing common questions and concerns upfront, you're not only demonstrating your understanding of your customers' needs, but you're also aiding them in overcoming any hesitations. Your FAQ section is your platform not only to answer potential questions, but also to reinforce the benefits and unique selling propositions of your offer. If done well, it's not just a question and answer segment. It's an extension of your sales pitch, a conversation starter, and a tool for deepening customer understanding and engagement. In merging these trust signals, you are actively diminishing barriers to commitment and nurturing a sense of security that often precedes a customer's decision to invest. Well, there you have it, the 7 elements that can make or break your landing pages. I hope this gives you a solid framework to optimize or design effective pages that converts leads into customers. Be sure to test different combinations of these elements to see what resonates best. Not every landing page will contain every element, but focusing on these core factors will certainly boost your chances of success. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tips for growing your business. Also, be sure to watch this video here where I'll demonstrate how to actually build a landing page from scratch. This is Michael at Rapyd, and I'll see you in the next one.